Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So an interesting new setting has become available in Microsoft Edge Canary, which is an early preview version of the browser, where there's a new toggle in Edge's Copilot and AI settings page that lets you decide whether a feature called the Cowork feature can access Edge to perform tasks on your behalf, like create tabs or interact with pages. So if we head into our settings in Edge Canary and we head over to Copilot and AI, if we head down to this section, in the stable version, we only have these two settings, Browse with Copilot and Copilot Settings. And here now we have a third option available in Canary. It says, allow Cowork to take actions on your behalf. Cowork may perform tasks such as creating tabs, taking screenshots, and interact with web pages. Now, to me, this sounds very similar to Microsoft's Copilot PC recall feature, which caused a lot of debate back in the day due to privacy and security concerns. And Microsoft gives us an explanation as to what the Cowork feature is all about. And I'm quoting, Microsoft 365 Copilot Cowork can complete web tasks for you in Edge on your device. Using the sites you're already signed into, the agent works in a hidden Edge tab so you can stay in the conversation while it acts on your behalf. So basically how this is all going to work, once again quoting, when Cowork needs to use a website to complete a task, it opens a hidden tab in Microsoft Edge and works there. You stay in the Cowork conversation and watch progress through chat updates and the side panel. Because the tab runs in your own copy of Edge, it uses your existing single sign-on cookies and sessions. The agent has exactly the same access to sites that you have when you browse by hand. No more and no less. Credentials, cookies, and session tokens stay on your device, quote unquote. So that's Microsoft's explanation of what Cowork is all about. Obviously, I do think that this feature would cause a bit of debate for obvious reasons regarding security and privacy. Now, the good news is, although that is the case, the good news is it's opt-in. This is off by default. That may change in the future, but currently you have to turn it on to use the feature, which to some degree or the other makes me feel slightly better about the feature because it's opt-in and not opt-out. So this is going to be an interesting one to watch. So what I'm going to do in Edge, I'm actually going to leave it on in Canary. I don't use Canary for any personal use or anything like that, so I'm quite happy to do that. And I'm just going to leave it on and see maybe in the next couple of days if I can show you something else in real time regarding the feature. Then obviously I'll repost and let you know. So if and when this does roll out to the stable version, is that something you would enable in Edge if you are using Microsoft Edge? Let me know your thoughts down below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.